Today, I'm going to be walking you around this beautiful BMW 318i. It's an M Sport version of the car, and for me, the color scheme really does make this car stand out. It's very individual. It's finished in Portimao Blue metallic with the light Oyster full leather interior. It's covered 17,500 miles, and critically, this car has only had one owner from new. So we're going to run you through some of the details on the car and some of the lovely design features and also some of those extra options that the car has fitted to it. So starting at the nose, we've got the beautiful chrome effect to the updated kidney grille, which I do think is particularly pretty. I love that chrome effect on there, and it is a much bigger kidney grille. We've got BMW's LED headlights with probably the last of a generation Angel Eye versions of the daytime running lights there. They're very, very cool indeed. As I say, if you've been a BMW fan for most of your life, you'll know that these no longer exist, but it is the last generation to have it. Coming down here, we've got some lovely black, gloss black accents to the lower grille, the lower fog lights around, and very neatly integrated is the front parking sensors. The car also has rear park distance control and a reverse camera. Coming down the side, the wings are adorned with an M Sport badge, just giving away that this car is an M Sport version of it. And if you go inside and have a look at that lovely interior, the light Oyster leather internally, it's just fantastic. And whether the camera can pick up on it or not, the car has ambient lighting inside. Again, that is a cost option above standard on a 318i. And to give you an idea of condition, I'm just going to jump in. The original blue stickers that sit over the door tread plate are still on the car. That's the condition that this particular vehicle is in. Coming down the passenger side and just going internally, the rear seats, loads of room. There's lots of leg room. I'm over 6 foot and I fit in the back of this car easily. We've got 3-zone climate control in the back of this car as well. So if you are a rear passenger, you can adjust your own climate back there. And it really is a lovely, airy interior. That light leather always making a big difference to how the back of one of these cars feels. And then coming around the back of the car, I do love the BMW sort of take on rear lights, almost a darkened lens across the rear light, and it is a physical gap between this section and this section. It's a very pretty rear light. And opening the boot for you here, super lightweight boot lid and a huge amount of storage in the back of this car. So you've got loads of space. Especially handy are these handles above here, which will allow you to fold those rear seats automatically by just pulling these handles. So no jumping in the back of the car and climbing around. And there is, if I'm not wrong, a little bit of storage underneath the bottom of this boot floor, but I can't find the handle in the short term, but it is there, I promise you. And I'll just shut this boot, the reverse camera sitting nicely on the back of the tailgate there. Coming round the passenger side, I'm going to go in the driver's door, not the rear door, apologies, and I'm going to jump in and run you through some of the controls and some of the features internally. And I'll just switch the car on, and we'll put that climate control on auto. So, on the driver's door card, we've got a mixture of materials, that lovely Oyster leather down the center of the door card here, and that meets some of the nicer sort of, I'm going to go with man-made leather, but it's plastics across here, but they match the Oyster color beautifully, and again, above. I love the door handles, all finished in sort of an aluminium metal finish. And then we've got folding and electrically adjustable mirrors for the driver and passenger, and then a shortcut to lock the mirrors and for the children in the back, and also 4 electric mirrors. Coming internally, automatic headlights, a heated steering wheel, which again is another cost option feature on this particular car, and this lovely BMW M Sport steering wheel, super thick. It's one of the best things that BMW do. It's such a cool thing to hold. You've got multi-function controls for that amazing digital dashboard in front of me on the right-hand side over here, and then on the left-hand side, your controls for the speed limiter and the cruise control. You can switch the auto lights on, if you can have a look, with a little button just there on the end of the stalk, which is really, really handy. It's a quick shortcut to show you that you've got it. And then if we come across into the car, the lovely BMW iDrive infotainment system, probably one of the most intuitive iDrive systems I have ever used. And if we go across, we'll show you the BMW navigation. It is touchscreen, as well as being able to be configured via the wheel down on the gear tunnel here. You can see BMW's own inbuilt navigation. You can see how quick that is if I come back to home, and then if I pop the car into reverse, the reversing camera activates itself, and you've got your live time sort of dynamic display for your park distance control there on the right-hand side. The car does also have reverse assist and park assist, both extra options on the right-hand side there. Coming down the center console, dual zone climate control, all configurable via these buttons, heated seats for both driver and passenger. You've got shortcuts for your radio stations down here. That's been in BMWs for a very long time. And underneath here, an extra USB port and 2 cup holders. And I will mention, because I have gone past it, you can plug into that USB port and you will get Apple CarPlay and Android Auto in this car. And I love this update to the controls. Super sleek, super easy to use. 3 particular driving modes, Sport, Comfort and Eco Pro, but they're all fast to get to. I love the iDrive system as well. Very, very intuitive and easy to use. And then if we come down the center, a USB port for charging your device internally in this cubby hole, and a big, huge amount of storage. A big, huge, very poor English. A nice amount of storage under the armrest over here. And I'll just switch the car off now, jump outside and very briefly summarize this car. And for me, as I say, it's got some really amazing options, including those BMW Individual 19-inch wheels, which I didn't mention at the beginning of the video, and I should have. Finished in Portimao Blue with the light oyster leather interior, 17,500 miles on one owner from new, and you saw the condition. It's fantastic. My name is Matthew. Hope the video's helped. Thanks for watching.